Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to use your Xbox One controller on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now it's actually really easy to use your Xbox One controller on your PlayStation 4. I went ahead and purchased this device off of Amazon, and this is called the Magic S Pro controller adapter. Now this does allow you to use a wireless Bluetooth controller on multiple devices for your Switch, PS4, PS3, PC, Neo Geo Mini, and PS Classic. So it's relatively easy to use. I have this USB cable right here, and I'm going to plug it into the device, and this is just like a thumbstick here. So plug it in. I'm just literally plugging this into the front of my PlayStation. So that's plugged into my PlayStation. Now I'll switch over my monitor to my PlayStation input, which is HDMI 2. Now this device will automatically recognize my PlayStation, and when I have my controller connected, it will automatically detect the controller. So let's press the Xbox button, and boom, it's working on my PlayStation. Let's press A and log in. Now, a lot of times when you're using like these adapters like this, there's like input lag. However, I did not notice very much input lag or any detectable amount of input lag when I was playing Call of Duty with this. So that's a very good sign. So other people have said, there's too much input lag, I just can't play. Well, this is very playable for me when I'm using this device. The only thing I had a problem with actually was connecting this wirelessly. So you're supposed to be able to connect it wirelessly just like any other kind of like dongle, where I'll disconnect this and my Xbox One controller would stay connected. Other people have reported, and I've seen YouTube videos of people using this device and playing wirelessly with their Xbox One Elite controller, the version 2 also, and they're able to play this wireless. So if you go into the Amazon like reviews in the comments and you search for like Xbox One controller, there's people literally saying they played wirelessly. However, I haven't been able to sync this up with my controller and play yet. I'm going to try to update it later on, but this indeed does work if you're playing wired right now. I can confirm that, and there's very little to no input lag. So if you're thinking about getting like an Xbox Elite controller and playing on your PlayStation, I'd say look into this device, look into similar devices. One of the main issues you're going to be having is the input lag. So since you don't have a touchpad, like any games that require a touchpad, you might be running into some problems. The Xbox button essentially is the PlayStation button. So if I hold this down, like the side menu will pop up, and I believe the box button right here is my share button. Yep, my share button. And the 3 lines literally I think are just my options button. So we're missing just the touchpad, it looks like. And you can go ahead and go on the computer and update this device. So like later on, if you want to use like the newest Xbox controller, you can do that. Or the PlayStation 5 controller, just go to their website, update the device with your computer, and you're going to be able to use your PlayStation 5 controller on your Switch. Now, one thing this doesn't do is I can't use my PlayStation controller on my Xbox with this device. You'd have to buy something different. So go ahead and check out the Magic S Pro on Amazon and see if this device would be something you're interested in. I give it a thumbs up if you're going to be playing wired. Wireless doesn't seem to work as well with the Xbox controller. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on the PlayStation 4.